Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products on the market. Today, we're excited to share with you what we believe is the best navy blue and white rug available, the Alarmore Washable rug. This stunning piece combines style, functionality, and practicality, making it a perfect addition to any room in your home. The first thing that stands out about this rug is its modern gradient design. The ombre effect of soft blue fading into white not only brings a fresh visual appeal to your space, but it also complements a variety of decor styles, from contemporary to classic. Whether it's in your living room, bedroom, or even a nursery, this rug adds a touch of elegance and warmth to your environment. One of the great features of the Alarmore rug is its versatility. Measuring 5 by 7 feet, it's the ideal size for various spaces. Place it in your living room to create a cozy reading nook, in the dining room to tie the space together, or in the bedroom for a soft landing when you get out of bed. The possibilities are endless, and its stylish design ensures it will fit seamlessly into any setting. Let's talk about comfort. This rug is made from low-pile polyester, which gives it a plush, soft feel underfoot. It's perfect for lounging, and even your pets will love it. Plus, the low-pile design ensures that it won't obstruct doorways, making it functional in high-traffic areas. Now, let's discuss maintenance. One of the standout features of the Alarmore rug is that it's machine washable. Simply toss it in your washing machine for a quick clean. It resists dirt buildup, making regular upkeep a breeze with just a vacuum or a damp cloth. If you ever notice creases upon arrival, a simple spray of water and a little time laid flat will smooth those out naturally. Safety is also a priority with this rug. The textured TPR backing provides excellent grip, reducing the risk of slips and slides. Just remember to place it on clean, dry, and smooth floors to ensure it stays put. Not only is this rug functional, but it also enhances the overall aesthetic of your space. The vibrant colors and modern design give your home a dynamic and inviting look. It's perfect for a wide range of settings, think entryways, kitchens, dorms, or even classrooms. In conclusion, the Alarmore Washable rug combines style, comfort, and practicality, making it our top pick for the best navy blue and white rug on the market. If you're looking to elevate your space with a beautiful and functional rug, look no further. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.